Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log out in WhatsApp. So if you tap open the WhatsApp application and go to the settings from here, you will find that there is no particular option for how you can log out in WhatsApp. There is no logout option available in here. So for you to log out from WhatsApp, what you can do is you can go to the setting of your mobile device, tap open setting. In the setting, you need to go to app and notification. The process might be different for each and every Android devices. So what you need to mainly do is you need to tap open the WhatsApp app info page. You tap that and open that app info page on your mobile from setting. Once you do that, you need to tap on stories and cache. Tap that. Now here, all you have to do is clear stories or clear cache. I'm going to tap on clear stories. All this app's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and database, etc. Tap on OK. Once the clear storage process is completed, you go back to the WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, and you can see you have been logged out. So this is how you can log out in WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.